Strawberry s'mores is a healthy twist to the traditional summer snack. It's so easy, you can have your kids do it. Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands. You're going to want to start out with a couple of washed strawberries, and I'm going to use a plastic knife today to show you that kids can do it and you don't have to worry about it. And you're just going to slice them into slices. I've got one more to do. Then you're going to want to take a graham cracker and break it in half. Add some vanilla yogurt to the bottom of your graham cracker. Top it with some of your strawberry slices, and just like that, you've got a delicious light summer snack that the kids will love. Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.